With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's understand the given question. The latent heat of vaporization of a substance is always. So question is saying that latent heat of vaporization of substance will always option A greater than its latent heat of fusion, B greater than its latent heat of sublimation, C equal to its latent heat of sublimation, D less than its latent heat of fusion. So accordingly, we have to tell which of the following option is correct. So within the question, we have to tell about latent heat. So we know that in a latent heat is the heat that is required to convert the phase at the same temperature. So suppose we have water. We have water at 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. So at 100 degrees centigrade, water can convert into the steam, or we can say vapor, when it will get sufficient heat, and that heat we call latent heat. This is also at 100 degrees centigrade where temperature is remaining constant but phase is changing. So in this case, water molecule will be like this, far as compared to water. Okay. Similarly, we can say within the ice. So ice is at 0 degrees centigrade, and ice can convert into the water at 0 degrees centigrade if this will get sufficient heat. Okay. So this sufficient heat we call latent heat. This is latent heat of vaporization because water is converted into vapor. Latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization, and this is latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Now we have to compare both. In this case, water molecules and there is a vapor. So water molecules, these molecules or these atoms are uh, going away from each other. That's why this is a vapor. So actually what is happening, this del H is required, or del H is used to break down the bonds between the water molecules to convert into the vapor. In this similar case, in case of ice, within the ice, water molecules are like this, and in the water molecules are like this. Means for in case of water, molecules are um, not much far from as compared to ice, but in case of vapor, this is far away from the as compared to water. So we can say that in case of water to vapor, heat required is more because this energy um, because there is a because we are separating the atoms far as compared to ice to water. So this is latent heat of fusion, or this is latent heat of vaporization. So we can say latent heat of vaporization is greater than latent heat of fusion because of breakdown of the water molecules. Okay, so we can write here latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization is greater than latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Okay, so which option can be correct? That uh, latent heat of vaporization of a substance is always greater than its latent heat of fusion. So we can say according to option A is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.